Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel published by AI. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful Ayurvedic superfoods in the world, turmeric, or as we call it, Haldi. This golden spice has been used for thousands of years in Indian homes, in food, in milk, and in many homemade remedies. But do we really know how powerful this little yellow root is? In today's video, I will explain what turmeric contains, how it benefits your body, how Ayurveda uses it, how to consume it properly, and which precautions you must follow. So let's begin. Scene 1. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that comes from the root of the curcumalanga plant. It is widely used in Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, and is also a major focus in modern medical research. The most important compound in turmeric is called curcumin. Curcumin is the reason turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory effects, powerful antioxidant activity, and amazing healing properties. In Ayurveda, turmeric is called Haridra, which means the one that improves your purity and health. Scene 2. Turmeric, or a natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases like joint pain, arthritis, heart problems, diabetes, and even obesity. Turmeric naturally helps reduce this inflammation. Curcumin blocks certain molecules in the body that cause swelling and pain. That's why Ayurveda recommends turmeric for joint pain, muscle stiffness, injuries, and swelling. Even modern doctors confirm that turmeric can work like a natural pain relief support, often without the harmful side effects linked to many synthetic medicines. Scene 3. Powerful antioxidant for overall health. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants. These protect your body from the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful chemicals formed in our body due to pollution, poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep. When they increase, we start facing fast aging, weak immunity, fatigue, dull skin, and many lifestyle-related diseases. By providing strong antioxidant support, turmeric helps slow down this damage and keeps your body healthier and more youthful over time. Scene 4. Boosts immunity naturally. In Ayurveda, turmeric is one of the top immunity-boosting herbs. Many of us remember that whenever we fell sick, our parents or grandparents gave us Haldi Dud or turmeric milk. This is because turmeric helps the body fight viruses, prevent infections, strengthen immune cells, and reduce the chances of seasonal flu. During the winter or rainy season, consuming turmeric regularly can support your body's natural defenses against cough, cold, mild fever, and certain allergies. Scene 5. Amazing benefits for digestion. Turmeric is excellent for your digestive health. It helps in improving digestion, reducing bloating, preventing excess gas, supporting the healing of minor stomach ulcers, and supporting liver function. Ayurveda says turmeric improves Agni, which means your digestive fire. A strong Agni leads to better metabolism, better nutrient absorption, and better energy levels throughout the day. Scene 6. Turmeric for skin, natural glow. Turmeric has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Why? Because turmeric can help reduce acne, fade the appearance of dark spots, soothe irritation, brighten the skin, and support conditions like eczema and psoriasis when used appropriately. It provides a gentle, natural glow. This is why brides in Indian weddings have a haldi ceremony, because turmeric is believed to purify and brighten the skin naturally. You can use turmeric in face packs, bath powders, and scrubs, or drink it with warm water to support an inner glow. Scene 7. Amazing for brain and mood. Turmeric also supports your mental well-being. Curcumin has been shown in research to increase certain brain-supporting hormones like BDNF, which may help improve memory, reduce stress, support the fight against depression, enhance focus, and protect the brain from age-related decline. If you are someone who deals with frequent stress, anxiety, or low energy, adding turmeric to your daily diet, alongside professional guidance when needed, can gently support your mental and emotional balance. Scene 8. Supports heart health. Turmeric supports the health of your heart in several ways. It helps maintain cleaner blood vessels, may assist in reducing bad cholesterol levels, supports the prevention of unwanted blood clots, and protect heart tissues through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Ayurveda often recommends small amounts of turmeric every day as part of a long-term routine for heart protection and circulation support. Scene 9 helps in weight management. If you are trying to manage your weight in a healthy way, turmeric can help. It supports metabolism, helps balance blood sugar levels, encourages the body to burn fat more efficiently, and reduces inflammation in fat tissues. Drinking turmeric water or turmeric tea daily, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can contribute to better weight management over time. Scene 10. How to consume turmeric the Ayurvedic way. There are several healthy and traditional ways to consume turmeric. First, turmeric milk or Haldi dud, which is best for immunity, better sleep, and overall healing support. Second, turmeric water, which is good for gentle detox, digestion, and weight loss support. Third, turmeric tea, which can be powerful for inflammation and pain relief. Fourth, raw turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. And fifth, simply adding turmeric to your daily curries, dals, and vegetables. Even small daily amounts are very beneficial. Scene 11. How much turmeric per day? According to Ayurvedic guidance for general wellness, about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder per day is considered sufficient for most healthy adults, along with a small pinch of black pepper to improve absorption. For higher, more therapeutic doses, always consult a qualified healthcare or Ayurvedic practitioner. Do not increase the amount on your own without proper guidance. Scene 12. Precautions. Even though turmeric is natural, some precautions are very important. Avoid excessive turmeric intake if you have gallbladder stones, if you are already taking blood-thinning medicines, if you have active stomach ulcers, or if you are pregnant, unless your doctor or practitioner clearly advises it. Always use turmeric in moderation and treat it with the same respect you would give to any powerful herbal remedy. Scene 13. Conclusion. So friends, this was a complete guide to the incredible health benefits of turmeric. From immunity to digestion, from skin to heart, and from mental health to weight management, this golden spice is truly a gift of nature. If you start consuming turmeric daily in the correct way, it can gradually transform your overall health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Your support motivates us to bring more Ayurvedic and natural health content for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.